Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 12, and today's video it's going to be the Zodiac sign picks my makeup. Mikey, which is also known as Glam and Gores on YouTube, she did this doing her horoscope picture makeup, and she did it based on her Zodiac sign and the color palette. So I am going to grab my phone for you to show you my color palette. I am a Taurus because I was born on April 30th. So that is my Zodiac sign. So I will be doing an eye look today because I already have a base done. I will be doing an eye look today based on my color spectrum that a Taurus is. And these are the colors that pop up. It's pretty much all this. But then if you also look at other things, it says it's mostly green and pinks. So I'll be going into more green and pinks instead of doing more of this look. So if you want to see what kind of eye look I come up with, then keep on watching. Well, apparently we weren't recording that whole time. So I tilted up the camera so that is a good look for you guys. I went over with the, I'm getting rid of my phone. I'm really annoyed right now. I went in with the shade Titan all over my lid. I'm using the Alien palette right now. And then I used the shade Abduction, and that is what I'm currently working on right now. Oh my, I can't believe that happened. I'm so mad. But what we just did is we put Abduction in the crease of our eyeballs. We're leaving this outer corner kind of weird because I will clean it up later. So it's no big deal. I'm going to come back to the Alien palette for some of the things to use, but I'm going to grab the James Charles palette right now, and we're going to grab a different green. We're going to go into this shade right here, which according to his thing, this one is Skip. No, it's not. Just kidding. This is Social Blade right here. We're going into Social Blade. And I'm using the same brush as I did before. We're applying it directly on top. And this is going to darken up our crease, but still keeping it in this type of green. I'm not really the one to go for really colorful eye looks, but I think this is very interesting. And I saw Glam and Gores, I don't know, I can't talk today that well because I'm sick, so I'm sorry if I can't speak, but it's not just annoying you, it's also annoying me, to be honest. But I saw her do this, and I thought this was the coolest thing ever. And I thought it was so interesting and different, going back in with the shade Abduction from Jeffree Star, and we're applying a little bit over top to soften it up a little bit. But I thought that it was very interesting going back in with Social Blade. I just thought it was interesting because I've never seen anyone do it. I've seen Siri picks my makeup, and my boyfriend picks my makeup, or my dog picks my makeup. But Zodiac sign picks your makeup, or horoscope, that is pretty cool. And this is a green that we're getting so far, is a green vibe. And I'm liking it. I think it's really cool. I think I want to go in with Jeffree Star palette again. I'm sorry, I'm switching back and forth. We're going to be taking a different brush though. And I'm going to be taking a soft end, and I want to go in with Flying Saucer right here. I want to see how this is going to look with this whole look. I don't know if I'm going to put it into the crease a little bit more. Because see how I fanned it up a little bit. We're just going to see what happens. Oh yeah, we're using this to darken the crease. Holy crap. That's a really cool shade. And I don't really need too much of it because it's already dark as it is. And I'm thinking I'm going to keep it how I'm already putting it onto the lid a little bit. And then we're going to keep some of this eye space, and that's what we're going to do with the pink. A pop of it. And then I'm going in James Charles palette again. Going back into Social Blade, and I want to blend that out with that color. And merge them together where they meet. Yes. This is cool. I never knew that a Taurus color was green and pink. I guess that could be why when I was little I was obsessed with pink, but now I'm not the biggest fan of it. I mean, I'll wear it. It's gotta be like a pastel-y pink. Like, it can't be hot pink, but if I showed you that color spectrum in the beginning, that was like a hot pink. Not a hot pink, like a pastel pink, going back in with abduction also. Just adding this, and then we're taking a brush that has nothing on it, and we're going to blend this all together. This is a pretty cool eye look so far, if I do say so myself. I think we're going to take a little bit more of Flying Saucer, and we're just going to pack it on in. We also need like a dark green in the outer V, and James Charles has one. So we're going to be going in with the shade Daddy. It is this dark green right here. We're going in with that one, and I'm just taking the end of this brush right here. I'll be going in with the shade Daddy, and we're going to be applying that to the outer corner of our eye, and I literally just want to see how it goes. So this is what it looks like in the outer corner. I'm kind of liking it a little bit, but it's also very close to the Flying Saucer color, so again, it's gonna look dirty right now. I will clean it up, trust me. I am not the type that will keep it like this at all. I'm also not the type to do a look like this at all. So this is interesting. I think that was cool. I'm looking at the mirror like past you guys. It looks like the same exact color as Flying Saucer, to be honest. And now to try to do a pink, we're gonna go in with the shade Skip in the James Charles palette. It's a hot pink. We're gonna be using it, and we're gonna apply that literally just to this little area. I know I said it's more like paley pinks, but I feel like this pink went with it. I'm kind of blending it to the edge to give like a dimension. And we're gonna blend it a little bit more upwards, but still keeping it in the center of the eyeball. Like that kind of moment. Oh, I'm liking it. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this up, do this eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the final look. I went into the inner corner with the shade Alien from the Jeffree Star palette. I did wing liner and eyelashes. I just put mascara on. Bottom eyeliner on, lower lash mascara on, and then I just smoked out the bottom. This is what the look looks like that I got. I really like it because it's mostly the green, but then you can see the peak of the pink, which is what I wanted, and I hope you guys really enjoy this look. Let me know if you want me to do more creative looks like this. This is something different that I have never done before, and if you would like to see more, click the like button, give this video a big thumbs up, because that is the like button. I don't know why I just said that. Subscribe, join the family. Come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.